Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to find Bitcoin address in Binance. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your Binance application and log in. After login, you have to go into your wallets, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on deposit and here search for Bitcoin. Now click on Bitcoin and here we got the list of all the networks. Make sure to select the right network. In case if you don't, you might lose all of your crypto. Example, I am using BNB Smart Chain BEP20 as my network. Just click on it and here we go. We got the deposit address of the Bitcoin. Just simply copy it and that's it. I hope this video helps you a lot. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.